I went to Bladen Races, was on the 9th of June, 1862 on a summer's afternoon. We took the bus to Bamborough. She was heavy laden, going along the Scotsman Road to see the Bladen Races. It's a song. Como você está, minha namorada? What's up, guys? No one's in, and it must be taking a second to catch on. Let's get straight on the fucking screen recording because there's so much going on. You are live. You are live. People are coming in now. Just took a little bit of time. Really great start of the day. Make sure I'm on Twitter and everything's working. I think the update from StreamYard's a bit slow. Yeah, I'm on. Nice. You guys are watching. Nice. Comments. If you want to comment on YouTube, you can. I think it's just taking a little bit of time for it to load up and stuff. But it's fucking busy day. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of trades going on. Execution's not been perfect already today. I had a rule to wait till the market open, but LIXT is the same as what's the ticker yesterday? LIXT is the same as HOTH yesterday, full of gap downs. Terrible overextended gap down chart, massive gap. I'm risking like a third of the account on this. I'll be risking like 300-ish. But happy to lose a third of my account on this. I think it's a good high out setup. A lot of downside, great risk reward. I physically saw it rolling over. It's up loads. It's terrible history. I just thought I was going to short at the open anyway, so I was like, I'm happy to take it now because I don't want to be stressed at the open for the sake of what the price difference can be. If it doesn't roll over, I can get back out. But yeah, execution, I'll be noting, is it's not what it should be. Yesterday ended flat because was it MDVL? Yeah, this was an overextended gap down. It had news at 9:45 and reversed. First time I've seen it in a long time. So that was really disappointing to see MDVL reverse. Gotten, in fact. But LIXT at least is another chance. Hopefully it does the same as HOTH yesterday. HOTH was a fantastic trade yesterday. If you saw me recap, I covered at the close like 104, and then the offering came after, which is a shame. BDSX again. I'm in this. I need to check what my risk should be on this. I'm going to have a look in a minute. I just wanted to get on live stream and stuff like that. It's 4 minutes till the open. It's pretty. My risk will be a little bit wide, so I'm not too bad. But the only thing that concerns is that I'm shorting like 5 minutes before I should. So I should be shorting at the open. But like I said, both stocks look weak. Both stocks are rolling over. Both setups are very, very bearish. And as long as I'm not red on either trade by 9:30, I haven't done any damage by executing early. The execution I'm going to take, I need to work out my system on how to rank my execution, but probably an early entry is going to be about 20% off 100% score. Did it twice, so like 40% off. But anyway, look, I mean, it's looking like an all right day. The only other trade that I'm feel with first green day potential, I'll take a quick look. The only other day that I'm really first green day. Yeah, feels might come back, but I'm not really looking at it. The only other trade that I'm really looking at, if I've even got the fucking buying power, because my account's so small. But it's good. It's like, can I grow a small account with the system, right? The only other trade that I'm looking at is VERU. I just need to think about VERU. It's an overextended gap up. It's like a day 2 gap up setup. if you just give us a, I just need to figure out what my risk, what my entry might be on Veru. Opening what, 1380? Yeah, so I'm gonna give this like, oh wow, what the fuck's going on? Above 180 bucks. Babe, muito caro hoje. It's a bad idea today, right? Yesterday I fucking couldn't even make $100 all day. Now with the exact same system and the exact same pricing so far, it's not bad. I just need to figure out when to cop. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm fucking, the market's gonna open. I haven't got a clue what's going on. All I know is I'm making good money relative to the size of my account. Saying to me girlfriend the other day, I was like, I should have a 10,000 account running this system, but let's do a week, prove it works. Because like if it was a 10K account, I'd be at 1.7K right now. Like such bullshit trading a small account, but it's the same thing. Like I'd rather, if I make any mistakes, like news came out on MDVL yesterday, it fucked me. It fucked us. It was break even day. I should have made money. So like these little things of looking for news, spotting news, like finding errors with the system. It's good to have like a couple of weeks trial. So I'm probably gonna, every week that's green, I'm gonna add more money to the account just to make it more exponential. But I'm not gonna obviously be like, oh, double my account when I put $1,000 in. I'll make sure the actual growth, the exponential growth, is relative to the changes to the account. But yeah, let's just quickly figure out what's up, Mario. What's up, Mario? What's up, Thomas? Yeah, sorry about Veru, man. Like it wasn't a short for me. It wasn't up enough. And the company's got like 40 months of cash, no? And the company makes money. It makes money and it keeps it. It's profitable.
Market is open.
All right, here we go. Let's keep an eye on LIXT. It's probably the most interesting one. But I've got no stops in, but I'm pretty aware of roughly where they're going to be. And I mean LIXT, similar to Hoth, I'm gonna try and hold the fucker all day, to be honest. Unless it stops us out, which will be about a $300 loss. But I mean, if it is BDSX, so far it's working. Like as long as one of them works, should be a break-even day. If two of them work, like I might like at least grow my account by 50%. Veru is also very interesting. It's unbelievable. There's 3 potential trades here. I would never trust Veru out of the open. Surely this will reverse. I just want to put probably put a line up here on the 15s just to remember to probably short it if it does. LIXT, no issue with this whatsoever. I reckon I would have been short. I would have been short probably around here on the open anyway. So I'm not really bothered if it tests VWAP, nothing like that. I'm pretty calm, especially when both trades are working, right? So when both trades are working, I can afford for one to go wrong without any kind of terrible damage. If both, I'd much rather LIXT works because the downside's incredible. But I would have expected from the open 250s. I would have expected 280s. Like I still wouldn't be surprised if we see the 280s on this. Not a problem for it to like fake high a day or something like that. I love the opportunity that trading gives. Mario says I want to visit Brazil. And fica com Deus. Stay safe, guys. Fica com Deus. Vida é boa. Stay with God. Stay well. So this choppy kind of consolidation often can lead to terrible upside moves. So let's hope we just get the big drop and it's like an absolute dud. I'm pretty sure. What is it? BDS LIXT. Pretty sure if we check the filings. Sorry to take you away from the price action, but check the filings on LIXT. It's got 10 months of cash. It's got some cash, lower flows. It's done done 2 ATMs. Yeah, it's not got a bunch of dilution, nothing like that, but the company doesn't make money from what I know. But yeah, this sideways price action, it's not going to scare us. Like I say, I'm expecting like, am I even on the right thing? Yeah, I'm expecting like 290, something like that. It's no problem. There's a little small push, see if it gets bigger. Put them in on this one for 281. Yeah, I've got a pretty wide risk on here. So I'm not worried at all. It's actually it's quite healthy to see a push like this, to be honest. Let's see what happens. Let's give this a few more seconds just to see if this is like a small higher day break and reject off. It's going to be part of a bigger move. Like I say, if I get stopped, I get stopped. I'm not really going to be worried until we're at least in the threes. I'm playing like kind of a wide risk here, so not worried until at least in the threes. Somewhere around here on the support. We're actually still green on this. Not for long though. Nope, we're red. Again, this is nothing too abnormal. This is probably the optimal short point, but I'm similar to me entry, to be honest. Quickly check BDSX. Also with BDSX, like it seems to be dropping, but pretty wide risk on this one as well. It's really gonna have to get through all of this resistance. So I'm actually green on the day, despite this push. I don't mind this parabolic, honestly. Like this early kind of move can often be like a squeeze before it comes down. But if it goes nuts and parabolics, I'll have to get out. I feel like one of the first ones that have be one of the first ones that didn't work. Down $300 on it. Can't believe it. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens with LIXT. I'll give it a few minutes. If it's opening above the 360s, I'm out. It's one of them things. It's first time, and it's on live stream as well, eh? At least BIDX is working. Vero is small. I'm surprised Vero wasn't stronger. LAXT, I think I'm probably gonna have to get out of this. Sadly, it's a shame because like every single halt failed, except this one. But like, I'm gonna give it a couple of seconds outside of the halt just to see does it dump. But if it starts going higher, I'm just out. Probably BDSX is gonna like cushion some of the blow, but it's probably a red day. No problem. Is what it is. This is the first setup type that I've done this with. That's that'll stop us out. It's the most aggressive as well. In this range, yeah, from 250 to 350 is the 30% range. I don't think I've really seen something like this before. But I mean, what? That is what it is. Interesting what the stop is. I really thought today was going to be a bad day when I saw these setups. Shares about it. 400. I think I'll go for a run. Are you laughing at me?
Yeah, with Norman.
Eh?
Right behind you.
Right now?
Yeah.
There he is. Norman Bates. Babe, do you want to give any live commentary on what's going on? No. Sorry. Você está não falando inglês.
Não está falando.
Não está falando inglês. Não hoje. Para a internet. Anyway.
Too shy today.
Too shy?
Yeah.
I'm too shy. I'm fucking lost $200 on the internet. I'm gonna like give it a couple of minutes to see if it goes higher, but I'm probably out. Probably lose $300 today. Lucky I don't care about money. I have some. Good job I'm not trading with a $10,000 account, or I'd be down 3,000.
There you go.
I need to refine this. But honestly, babe, like I still is what it is. Let's see what happens, eh? All right. Really, it's not got much to this level. 360. Really should be getting out around this level. I've got a horrible feeling it's going to be like testing high a day and stuff like that, but I'm just not. It's broke the plan, eh? It's nothing I can do. All I can do is pray it like dumps. But I've got a criteria for these kind of gaps, but not really gaps this much. Might have to change this. Give us a break. Give us a break. I'm out. I should be out, right? I covered.
Executed.
Yeah. Covered. Get away.
Rejected.
Oops. Is that coming down now?
Executed.
Give it one last shot. One last shot. Just in case, eh?
Executed.
$4.53. If it goes above again, then for sure I'm just done. Let's hit the charts. So bad it's unbelievable, but I kind of just add higher, and hope I find the top. Give it one more shot, and if I hit the top, I hit the top. Like, I cannot try again after this. Don't even want to look at this ticker. I feel sick. The execution scores are horrific. A bit of a drop, yeah, but I mean, this gives us more conviction because if it holds this and then breaks the 455 level, like, I definitely don't want to be in this again. Like, if it actually goes higher day again, like, there's no way in hell I want to be in this again. So highly likely I'm just shutting down on these and put some stops in, shut down, because I don't want to be tempted to get back in. I was definitely about 10% late on the cover. It just happened so fast, couldn't react in time. Let's hope this bull flag doesn't rip through. If it does, it does. The hardest thing, though, is thinking, is this the top? Is this the top? Is this the top? On an overextended stock. You've just got to be like, if I cover the top, I cover the top. It's the hardest lesson. Take a bad loss is the hardest lesson. It's terrible, dude.
Wow.
Losing like half my account. That's what I get for being aggressive, though, but someone wrote down 500 eek. Guys, like, these days, if I lose $500, I don't care. It's not the end of the world for us. If it was, I wouldn't lose it on live stream. BDSX is at least working to some degree, but This looks like I might get stopped out again. It's holding way too well. It looks like it can go higher. This might go like 1,000% or something stupid. Let's take the stop. It is what it is. Probably gonna add more money into the account and just carry on with the system. I still fully believe in the system. Losses are meant to happen. But like if I keep on like shorting where's the top, shorting that and where's the top, if I get stopped out, it's like V or U. You're like, this must be the top, and then it's like it doubles. Like there's no reason this can't go to 8. So there's no, I just cannot, I've just got to accept the loss. It's a bad loss. What the hell? It's a bad loss. It's gonna happen. There you go, that's it.
Executed.
Tough loss, is what it is. No way I'm getting back, no way I'm getting in this again. And do what it wants. V or U is working. I'll stick to the plan with that and cover where necessary. Other than that, probably going to be adding into the account. And continuing the system. That loss was more than it should have been, definitely. But something I need to work on. It's 300% error. Yeah, I lost too much on that. 700. Lost double my risk. Yeah, it's not. Should have just stuck to the risk. Didn't. System's not going to work unless you stick to your risk. But not to worry. I mean, hopefully all good. I'll end about 500 red. I'm going to add into the account and play it over hundreds and hundreds of trades, not just one. But yeah, I mean, the main thing here was not sticking to the risk as usual. I lost double what I should. But no worries. It's all live. It's all learning. And see you guys tomorrow.